Hi, I am Colin Dunn.
And I am Andy Baumbusch, co-portfolio managers of the small and mid cap value portfolios at Cambiar Investors. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the strategy. Cambiar is a client-first, privately held value investor based in Denver, Colorado. Along with our long-term clients, we've enjoyed performance success across multiple equity strategies over the 45-plus year history of the firm and are particularly constructive on the opportunities for mid and small cap over the medium term.
Andy and I lead a team of 6 additional investment research professionals looking to construct concentrated, high alpha share small cap and mid cap value portfolios. We leverage a research-driven focus on value-creating businesses to create a library of potential investment ideas for our clients. We then seek attachment at attractive price points to deliver excess return and strong downside capture against the Russell Value benchmarks over rolling 3 to 5 year periods. We seek to own companies that demonstrate above-average internal financial and operating performance, reflective of a structural product and/or advantaged market position over multi-year periods. In times of relatively high market risk tolerance, such businesses and their respective stocks may lag, but alternatively should evidence their inherent underlying financial durability in times of market stress, and through the cycle deliver excess minority equity returns relative to the benchmark.
Owned companies should possess long-term financial metrics that reflect high gross and/or operating margins, return on invested capital greater than or equal to the mid-teens, consistent and ideally uninterrupted annual free cash flow generation, relatively lower profit and cash flow variability, and low leverage, normally run less than or equal to 2 times for non-financial businesses. Our portfolios will not sacrifice quality to achieve low aggregate statutory valuation metrics.
Our small cap portfolio will typically own about 50 stocks at a 2% standard position size. As an actively managed portfolio, position sizes and sector allocations incorporate still evolving market structure imbalances and anticipated volatility. The portfolio seeks to maintain diverse sources of combined return and to provide consistent exposure to historically less volatile and/or acyclical areas of the market. Factor tilt is additionally monitored, particularly in the quality categories. We have a general bias towards companies relatively larger in size and scale and underlying stock liquidity. This naturally overlaps with the inherent focus on quality and durability of the business, as well as an effort to mitigate the impact of unpredictable ETF, index, and quantitative fund flows. Turnover is anticipated to be lower over time, targeting less than 50 to 75%.
We encourage you to examine our small cap and mid cap value offerings. Both strategies since inception have shown the ability to deliver meaningful annualized alpha against their respective Russell Value benchmarks. The Cambiar plan for outperforming the market is to invest in quality businesses where current valuation is less indicative of their normalized earnings power, identify inflection points that can drive mean reversion in fundamentals and earnings, and be patient in waiting for the stock to reflect the inherent value. Maintain portfolio balance and anchor to quality wherever and whenever it presents itself. We also encourage questions. Our accountability to clients is a critical tenet of the day-to-day management of the Cambiar small cap and mid value portfolio, even as we steer for the long term. We encourage you to further examine the Cambiar small cap value offering and appreciate your interest and confidence in Cambiar Investors.